Hi guys, so today I'm going to try the Arcadia Beauty Daily Lip Tint for the very first time. Binigay sa akin to ng sister ko, so she ordered it online and then she sent it to me here in the UK. So I'm very excited to try it, and I am in the shade 03 Serenity. There. So this is how it looks like. Very simple and classic. So sinabi ko lang sa sister ko is I wanted something pink. Hindi ko sure, actually, hindi ko maalala kung ano yung shade na ginagamit niya, but she said hindi siya nag-reapply. So I'm very excited to try it because currently it's winter. My lips are a bit dry. Hopefully this will make my lips look good, but not dry. Wala akong nilagay sa lips ko today or anything, so let's try, huh? Very smooth. Ang dulas. Parang siyang jelly. That's how it looks like, and I think my sister nailed the color kasi it is pink but not too pink. Medyo may pagka parang magenta. Looks very fresh. So right now it's 7:06 in the morning and I will try to do check-ins throughout the day. Let's see. Hi guys, it's already 7:29 p.m. I was about to remove my makeup. Actually, tanggal ko na yung kilay ko and everything. And I realized, shucks, di pa ako nagla-last update. So, hindi ako nag-reapply the entire day. There is very minimal tint on my lips, which is nice. As in, it faded beautifully throughout the day. Ang problema ko lang, throughout the day, I really fought the urge to not put a lip oil just because nafe-feel ko na medyo nag-dry na. But, it did not look dry. Hindi siya naging mukhang crack or anything. The color did not settle on my lip lines either, which is nice. I think I really like this lip tint. Ano ba? So as a final thought, it's really nice. And I would give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 because, yun nga, the feeling of being dry. But then it's winter. I think Philippine weather, you'll get away with it. So